Hello witches and magical souls, and welcome to Wayward Witchery. I'm Pandora Darkmoon, tarot reader, witchcraft mentor, and lifelong witch. This space is for anyone on their soul's journey. Whether you're a curious beginner, have been dancing with the moon for years, or simply feel the magic without needing to name it. Today, we're diving into meditation myths, obstacles, and the very real benefits of practice. So grab a cuppa, settle in, and let's get witchy. Before we start, take a slow breath with me. In through your nose, and out through your mouth. Let your shoulders drop. Feel the gentle rhythm of your body, readying itself for a little exploration. Let's begin with some myths, because oh, there are plenty swirling around, like leaves on a breezy autumn path. Myth 1. You need to be religious or spiritual to meditate. Not true at all. Meditation has spiritual applications, yes, but at its core, it is a mental and physical practice. Think of it as training your attention and awareness. Picture your mind like a small stream. Sometimes it flows calmly, sometimes it ripples and splashes. Meditation is simply learning to watch that stream without being swept away. If you want to weave meditation into your spiritual path, you can, but you don't have to. Even a completely secular practice will bring calm, clarity, and energy alignment. Myth 2. There is only one right way to meditate. Also not true. Breath awareness, body scans, mantras, visualizations. There are many approaches that work. But there are wrong ways too. Forcing yourself into pain, holding your breath, or trying to completely shut down thought won't give you the benefits. Think of meditation as a conversation with yourself. It should feel like gentle guidance, not a harsh lecture. Myth 3. You should instantly feel calm and blissful. If only. Meditation can feel restless, boring, or even irritating at first. Your mind might chatter, memories might pop up, and your body might protest with aches and pains. That does not mean you are failing. Every session is a practice, a little ripple in your stream, guiding you towards steadier waters. The benefits are cumulative, not instant. Take a moment now. Pause. Notice your body in this chair, your feet on the floor. Even a few seconds of awareness is meditation in action. Now for some good news. Meditation doesn't just feel nice. It actually changes your brain and body. And science has something to say about it. Meditation can lower levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, which reduces anxiety and helps your body recover more quickly from stress. Long-term meditators show increased thickness in the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain linked to focus, planning, and decision-making. Regular practice improves emotional regulation and resilience. You become less reactive, more grounded, more able to choose your response instead of being hijacked by stress. Physical benefits include lower blood pressure, better sleep, and even improved immune response. So yes, meditation isn't just a nice idea. It's a scientifically backed practice that supports mind, body, and spirit. Here's a little reflective prompt. Imagine a stressful thought you carry often. Now visualize it as a leaf on a stream, floating gently away. That's the kind of subtle shift meditation can bring. Not forceful, but gentle, persistent, and magical. Now, let's look at the role of the body in meditation. Here's something many people miss. Meditation isn't just happening in your mind. Your physical body is deeply involved, and the way you align it can profoundly affect your energy. Guided meditations and visualizations can be beautiful, but they often skip the how. Sit up straight, breathe deeply. But how do you do that in a way that actually supports you? As far as posture goes, try to keep your spine gently aligned, like a tree growing towards the sun. Flexible, but upright. Over-straightening can create tension, so it all comes down to balance. Breathing is really important too. Deep breathing does not mean heaving your chest and lifting your shoulders. It is slow, diaphragmatic, and usually through the nose, filling your belly first. That calms the nervous system and centers your energy. Small details matter. Hand placement, foot position, even where you rest your tongue can subtly shift your energy alignment. Think of your meditation posture as tuning a musical instrument. Slight adjustments bring harmony to your mind, body, and energy. Now, pause for a breath. Notice your own alignment. Can you feel how a small adjustment changes your experience? Even for a few moments, this awareness is practice. Let's take a look at obstacles and individuality. No two souls are alike. What works for one person may do nothing for another, and that's perfectly normal. Your mind may race, your back might ache, Your legs might fall asleep. You may worry you're not breathing right. These obstacles are all part of the journey. The trick is personalized adjustments, small tweaks to posture, breath, or timing, rather than trying to follow a perfect one-size-fits-all formula, because there's no such thing. That is exactly why I offer meditation guidance sessions. In one-on-one sessions, via Zoom or email, we can explore what's actually happening for you. Together, we adjust your practice so that it fits your body, your energy, and your life. Imagine your meditation practice like tending a magical garden. Some plants need sun, some need shade, some need a little more water. Your practice is no different. Individual attention helps everything flourish. If this topic resonates, you might enjoy our blog post about mindfulness and meditation. I'll link it in the description below. And if you'd like personalized guidance, check out our meditation guidance service. I'll link that in the description too. Thanks for joining me at Wayward Witchery today. I hope something in this episode stirred your soul. If you're feeling called to go deeper, I offer tarot, clairvoyant, spiritual growth, and witchcraft mentorship sessions via Zoom, email, or pre-recorded video. You can find all the details on waywardwitchery.com. Until next time, keep your heart wild, your ethics strong, and your breath steady.